What's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you guys a look at this Mayboom 2-pack pickleball paddle set. As we open up, we get a paddle care guide, beginner's guide to pickleball, even an informational pamphlet here on how to play pickleball. Got this bag here that basically has everything you need inside it. You got a pocket here for your wallet, your keys, your phone. You've got 2 outdoor balls, 2 indoor balls, so no matter where you're playing, you're ready to go. You don't need to buy anything else. Here are the actual paddles themselves. You got this very vivid sunset design. This is made out of fiberglass, perfect for beginners. You get a nice pop. You got the logo up there. It's not too flashy. The logo is not too much in the way, which contributes to this great design. It's USA Pickleball approved. That is very important. Nice and wrapped handle here, so you can go ahead and open that up and you'll be ready to go with a fresh new paddle. This is a perfect gift for anyone that wants to start off playing pickleball. Again, here's the other paddle. The bag has multiple carry options. You can carry it from the top. You can put this around your shoulder on the back, and this will get you where you need to be in the next couple of months.